I'm on YouTube and I'm watching this physician who owns a medical aesthetics practice talk about Ulthera. Then as she's about to sign off, she's like, okay, come on by, come get a consultation. You're gonna love it. This is such an amazing treatment, but you know what? It's even better with Botox and filler to enhance the results. Girl, aren't you a doctor? Those are prescriptive treatments, you know. Could you imagine if like a pain clinic was just on YouTube, like, yo girl, what's up? Come on by, grab an Oxy, I'll throw in a Xanny and a gabapentin. Like, they would lose their medical license. These combo treatments that they're pushing are a little bit aggressive and ridiculous. You probably don't need all three, okay? By the way, Ulthera is like a $3,000 treatment. It shouldn't need enhancing, especially when the upgrade is going to cost another $1,800. So let me just tell you, if you do decide to go down that road where you're going to do skin tightening, the red flag is if the provider is offering you those straight out the gate, the adjunctive treatments like Botox and filler, and if they are incessant, that you get those treatments done prior to your skin tightening. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. And you want to know why? Because once your skin is nice and snatched and taut and tight, you won't need as much filler. They try to make that money, honey, but they're putting that above the patient's benefits. So you should just keep it moving and go to another provider. The more you know.